Relations between the Islamic Republic of Iran and India are rooted in thousands of years of shared history and civilization. The Chabahar Port project as a symbol of strategic cooperation between our two countries. Jai Iran, Jai Hind. We of nation that in 1979 relying on faith in God. The leadership of Imam Khomeini, its historical identity and its desire for independence overcome a dependent regime that placed foreign interests above the will of its own people. This revolution was not merely a change of political power. It marked the beginning of national sovereignty, popular governance, and restoration of dignity and independence for the Iranian people. From the very beginning, the Islamic Republic of Iran charted its path based on independence, freedom, justice, and rejection of domination. And despite many pressures and challenges, it has continued on this path with resilience and stability. Over the past 5 decades, the Islamic Republic of Iran has achieved significant progress in various fields by relying on domestic capacities, social unity, and a skilled and capable human workforce. In science and technology, Iran's position in knowledge production has steadily improved. Knowledge-based companies have expanded and major advances have been made in new technologies and the health sector. In the field of economy and production, despite unjust sanctions and difficult global economic conditions, Iran has witnessed growth in industrial production, an increase in non-oil export, and clear signs of movement toward more diversified and resilient economy. In the area of social services and infrastructure, the expansion of healthcare coverage, both self-sufficiency in foreign production, progress in national hosting projects, and the development of communication infrastructure have played an important role in improving the quality of life of citizens. In foreign policy, the Islamic Republic of Iran has pursued the expansion of relations with neighboring countries, emerging powers, and active participation in regional and international organizations through a dynamic and balanced diplomacy. Iran has always viewed itself as a responsible, independent, and effective actor and has consistently supported dialogue, multilateralism, and cooperation for peace and stability in the region. The Iranian nation has continued its path of progress despite years of injustice, sanction, and external pressures. Recent developments have once again shown that our country remained the focus of certain powers. Despite these challenges, our great nation, through reliance and Almighty God and the wise leadership of the Supreme Leader Ayatollah Khamenei, has overcome these crises. Ladies and gentlemen, relations between the Islamic Republic of Iran and India are rooted in thousands of years of shared history and civilization and are based on a strong culture, commercial, and human ties. This rich heritage is a valuable asset for expanding bilateral cooperation. The Chabahar Port project as a symbol of strategic cooperation between our two countries, plays an important role in economic development and regional connectivity. The holding of the 20th Iran-Indian Joint Economic Commission in 2025 reflects the strong determination of both sides of deepen cooperation in economic and infrastructure field. In addition, Iran and India have close cooperation within regional and international organizations. India's presidency of BRICS provides an important opportunity for cooperation between the two countries within this framework. In conclusion, I once again thank you for your kind presence and wish peace, stability, progress, and prosperity for the peoples and governments of the Islamic Republic of Iran and the Republic of India. We want to say that Jai Iran, Jai Hind.